So we know that cracking can have great short-term benefits for reducing your neck pain. I crack my neck all the time when at work, and yeah, it feels great. But the evidence suggests that long-term, cracking isn't putting your neck back into place, it isn't realigning the joints, or it isn't changing anything structurally. What will help long-term is some rehabilitation exercises aimed at improving your neck strength and reducing some stiffness in different levels of your spine. If we can address those things, long-term, your neck's going to feel better, you're going to move better. If you want to fix your neck pain for good, we can help you get there with strengthening and rehab exercises.